Naimbag nga aldaw, engineers of the future. Welcome to your online class in Engineering Utilities 2. I am your instructor, Daryl J. Ambleby. In this video, I will discuss volume change with temperature change, specifically freezing and expanding water. So what is volume change with temperature change all about? Water is the only substance that can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas at ordinary temperatures. Like most substances, water expands when it is heated. Unlike most substances, the volume of water increases when it freezes. Below 39 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius, water molecules begin to align themselves into the crystal structure of ice, causing its volume to increase slightly. Under normal conditions, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. It expands significantly when the molecules of water are pushed farther apart than they were in a liquid state. Freezing. Freezing is a phase change from liquid, or water, to solid, or ice. It results in about a 10% increase in volume. Let's have an example. Water in a 50-gallon water heater cools to a temperature below 30 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius and freezes fully. Determine the volumetric change in gallons as a result of freezing. We are to compute for the volumetric change, denoted by sigma V. To compute for that, we simply multiply 10% to the initial volume, which is 50 gallons. Why? Because freezing accounts for about 10% increase in volume. So sigma V is equal to 0.10 times 50 gallons. Calculating, that is equal to 5 gallons, which is the volumetric change or increase in volume due to freezing. Expanding water. Liquid water expands above 39 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. Expansion is about 4.37% from 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4.4 degrees Celsius to 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. This volumetric change from expansion, denoted by sigma V, equates to about 0.0254% per degrees Fahrenheit, or 0.0457% per degrees Celsius. Let's have an example. Water in a 50-gallon water heater is heated from a temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Fahrenheit or 51.7 degrees Celsius. Determine the volumetric change in gallons. As previously mentioned, when water is heated, it expands. This accounts to a volumetric change of 0.0254% per degrees Fahrenheit, or in decimal that is 0.000254 per degrees Fahrenheit. We need to multiply this to the change in temperature, which is 125 degrees Fahrenheit minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so that this unit will be cancelled. We further multiply this by the initial volume, which is 50 gallons. Calculating, that is equal to 0.953 gallons, which is the volumetric change or increase in volume due to expanding water because of water heating.